sterilization of medical equipment. So this is JJ's Solution, a channel that helps you maintain a healthier lifestyle and be informed medically. Sterilization is the complete disinfection or killing of any pathogen in a medical equipment. It is done to maintain a healthier environment and to protect ourselves, the medical personnel, and also the patient whenever we are using this. So we will use this machine. The machine that you're seeing here is called an autoclave, and the autoclave operates under the principle of temperature, high temperature and pressure. So the high temperature and the high pressure is what kills the pathogens and includes the spore forms. Spore forming organisms like Bacillus anthracis, they are not able to survive when you put them in the autoclave. So let me show you how the process is being done. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to pour in water, and you have to pour in water until it reaches this mark here. So I'll just pour in, and remember we must use distilled water whenever we are autoclaving. We don't just use any water, we must use distilled water. So this is the distilled water that we'll be using. You can see it is distilled. I'll open it and I'll pour in water up to the mark that I showed you earlier on. So before you pour in water, you have to ensure that this tap is closed, because the tap is tightly closed. There is also another tap for releasing of the pressure. So I'll just pour in more water until the mark. So you can see the water has hit the mark. So then I'll take these holders. This is our holder. So the holder we will use to put what we want to autoclave inside here. There is the autoclave tape here, and this autoclave tape is what will turn to tell us if the process of autoclaving has been complete. I'll put on gloves for me not to act as a transfer organism. So I'll put this here. I could have opened it to show you, but it has been sealed. Let me just try. You can see these are gauze. The gauze have to be autoclave for them to be sterile. So we do autoclaving to achieve sterility. So these are just a pair of emergency delivery pack. I'll just arrange them inside the autoclave. This is an IUCD pack. After we arrange them, we cover it with the lid, and we finally close the machine. So the machine has to be tightly closed. Remember, there will be a lot of pressure in here. We have to tightly. So the machine has to be closed in opposite direction. So if we go for this, we go for the other one. I'll tighten them. I have to tighten it very tight. The next thing that we are supposed to do, we are supposed to set the time, and remember we have to autoclave it for 30 minutes. So I'll set it at 30 and I put it on. So you can see the power is on. So we will leave it for 30 minutes, then we will come back and take it from there. So you can see the machine is the light for heating is also on, and the light for sterilizing will become on once it achieves 121 atmospheres. So when the water is low, the machine can also tell you that the water is low. Then when there is no water completely, the machine will tell you that there is no water completely. We'll pick it up from there.